collaborator, Toastmaster Bharat. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests.
Good evening.
Avinash in particular. Avinash, basically you are a very charismatic speaker. I would say that because you're totally passionate, your purpose was totally conveyed because it was an inspiring speech. I think the audience have understood the message very clear. It was inspiring, motivating and encouraging. The topic very relevant for a general purpose. Get to the point. Now, your voice was not so clear. One suggestion, if you don't mind, if I can, yes. It was not too loud and clear. Especially when you said wake up to the audience, yes, it was loud and powerful. But on the other side, when you said, I look forward for a glorious and shining India, to you, towards the end, which was the conclusion. That should have been with a bang. The topic was inspiring, relevant, you made a total bang, kudos to that. I want a real big thunderous applause for this. You showed that you are totally, you connected with the audience, eye-to-eye contact with the audience, you connected with the audience heart to heart, because basically over here, the people, they have to know the importance of voting. You brought about a comparison of the vicious circle who makes lame excuses to say that they didn't have time to vote. And on the other side, you connected with a strong point that you brought about the voters registration camp which you volunteered. Over there, that was a strong body of the speech. There you connected with the audience because I'm sure over here, each member would know the importance to vote because voting happens with us. It is we are the people who need it. It is not just they, the system or the government. It is you, me, everyone out here. So the importance was felt, which I feel you have accomplished your task. And audience, don't you think this specific purpose, was it attainable? Was it realistic?
Yes.
Was it precise and clear?
Yes.
So I think you have met all the objectives of the guidelines very systematically, and you are a very good speaker. Just two suggestions. The voice should have been a little more louder, a little more, and a little more emphasis and enthusiasm by saying, I look forward for a glorious and shining India. Do you? It should have been like that. Then I think you would have just excelled the whole speech. Overall, great speech. I'm looking forward for all your speeches. Kudos to that. Thank you.